you can make a mega menu on your store, online store. Just your website needs to be built with Elementor and of course Elementor Pro. And I'm gonna use an extension. Basically, it's a premium add-on, which is ElementsKit. I've already installed the plugin, the ElementsKit, and you can get it from their website. It's premium. So you need to go to the ElementsKit dashboard and check the settings if mega menu option is enabled. So that for this you need to go to modules, and on the module you can see ElementsKit icon pack is on. You can also make custom header or footer with Elementor, but for right now I don't need it because I'm making header and footer from Elementor Pro, the theme builder. So you just need to make sure this mega menu option is enabled. Have a small look with other modules we have for ElementsKit, like Facebook Messenger. We can build our own widget. I will make a different video next time about this. You can get some sticky content or advanced tooltip, conditional content, parallax effect you can make with ElementsKit as well, which we very much see in premium themes. Okay, so let's get over into the main work. So I have this website from a long time. It's one of my clients' websites. So this main menu was built with Elementor Pro. So I'm going to edit the custom header, which one was made by Elementor Pro. So basically what I need to do is this mega menu, this main menu, the nav menu option, I need to take element from ElementsKit. So if I search on menu, I will see this one. You can see EKIT, what is meant ElementsKit. So make sure you are using ElementsKit nav menu element on your header builder. Let's take a look on the element settings. Like, you need to select which menu you want to show on this element, and then the position and other settings, like you can use mobile menu logo and obviously custom logo as well. Then there are some styles, like where you can check the padding, the menu item styles, font style, color, hover color, hamburger menu style, and so on. So you can check them later. So now after completing the task on this element, which is ElementsKit nav menu, you need to go to your appearance and the menu we are showing on header. So this menu is this one, desktop menu. So I'm going to edit the desktop menu from appearance and menus. So here you can see you need to enable this option as well, enable this menu for mega menu content. And after that, you will see on every menu item there is a mega menu option. Just click on the particular one on which you want to create the mega menu, and this pop-up will come and enable the mega menu option. Then go to edit mega menu content or create mega menu content, which I have already created. So when you click on it, a mega menu builder will come out. So now you can see this is the complete mega menu style I have made for the website. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this section full width and want to make some padding. in both left and right side, maybe 50 pixel. Yes, so it will look better on. Maybe I can put some padding on the bottom as well, and on the top. Okay, so how I made this mega menu content, like I took some heading, then of course the icon list, and in the list I put the text and link on every item. So that's how the mega menu design is made. You can make any design you like. You can make here images as well, or anything actually you want. So after editing your mega menu style, you can put some settings here, like mega menu width. I will make it full width, and mega menu position as default. And also you can select a badge with badge text, or select any icon. I don't need it right now, so I'm going to update and save the menu, and let's take a look on the mega menu after editing. Okay, so the menu is coming, and you can see it's in full width mode, and also there are padding I've given, and it's looking pretty awesome, right? So that's how, without any premium theme. Actually, if your theme doesn't support any mega menu, but you are using Elementor on your website, then you can very easily make this happen. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get any update I will give you in future.